Hi. Topic of today's discussion, as you can already guess from the title of the video, is quality versus quantity. Now, the phrase speaks for itself, okay, so I don't have to explain what it really means. But if I had to, then I would say that it simply means that one good thing is better than 10 mediocre things. I feel that in general, quantity can be a negative thing, like in the sense that it can give out negative vibes if you have too many friends or if there are too many things on your plate. Because I feel, in terms of friendships, especially, I feel like one good friend or one best friend is so much better than having 10 mediocre friends. Because the small group of friends that you have, those group of three or four friends, those friendships are so much more enriching than having like so many friends that you are just on a high by basis with. And sometimes you have to sacrifice certain friendships to gain that sort of group of three friends or group of four close knit friends. And I feel like sometimes chasing after quantity is what puts more pressure or stress on you, because, like, for example, you might want to read 100 books in a year, and that sort of goal puts a lot of pressure on you and it might make you feel overwhelmed. And I feel like this philosophy also applies a lot with time spent on people. Like, for example, initially in my teenage days, I used to spend a lot of time with a lot of people. I used to love hanging out with different friends all the time. But then I somehow started realizing that it did not make me happy internally. It made me feel like shit because I was spending my time with a lot of people that that were not good for me, honestly. So, for example, if I would go out for lunch with a bunch of friends and I would come up feeling my cup half empty or full empty sometimes, and I would feel miserable and like very shitty. So eventually, I simply stopped hanging out with people who drained my energy. It took a lot of time for me to identify those people or those friendships in general. And I just realized that there were so many other things, productive things that I could do with the time that I spent with people who drained me. Because at the end of the day, when I go out and meet people, like meet my friends, basically, I want to come home and feel satisfied and happy with the time that I spent with them, right? Like any normal person would. So identify those people that make you happy when you are around them. Because I have also observed that when I spend time with limited number of people or when I have limited number of friendships in my life, I can devote उतना ज़्यादा time and energy to those friendships individually, and that helps me nurture those relationships better. And of course, when I decided to cut off the friendships that were not giving me joy, वो initial period या initial phase was very awkward for me, because when people used to ask me to hang out with them, I used to like मतलब it used to feel very weird for me to cancel plans with them repeatedly. But then at the end of the day, I was like, it's my time, it's my energy. I'm going to spend it with people that I really want to spend it with. So I have gotten over the phase of saying no to people and feeling guilty about it. And just to be clear, just because I cut certain people off from my life, that does not mean that they are bad people, okay? It's just about the energy and wavelength and vibe in general. Like, if our vibes are not matching, if my wavelength is not matching with yours, then I don't think that it's I mean, I feel like it's a waste of both of our time. And quality and quantity ka scenario also applies a lot to not just friendships, but also materialistic things like clothes or makeup. Like, I have seen a lot of my friends and people in general have a lot of clothes and a lot of makeup. I mean, see, मेरे पास भी बहुत clothes है. I am not going to be like the sadhu sant person who says that नहीं, I only own one pair of jeans and one shirt. No, I don't. I also have a lot of clothes and I love shopping. Okay, I love shopping clothes, so I have a lot of them. But at the same time, मतलब clothes in the sense, dresses मेरे पास बहुत सारे हैं, tops मेरे पास बहुत सारे हैं, but jeans, for example, I have one jeans, like black color की एक jeans, blue dark blue color की एक jeans, light blue color की एक jeans. Like jeans, I am very like a minimalist with jeans, okay? Because I feel like if you have, मतलब, what's the point of having three black jeans of the same size, yeah, same pattern? Like, I don't understand the point of it. I mean, of course, if you have like jeans of different fitting style, for example, one is a skinny fit, one is a bootlegged fit वगैरह, तो ठीक है, that makes sense. But I have seen people have same kind of jeans, same size, same color, and multiple number of jeans of that sort of thing. And I feel like that's just a waste of your money and waste of everything, the resource and everything. So I do not agree with that kind of a thing. Also makeup के लिए भी it applies कि like I have seen people have multiple foundations, multiple concealer, multiple blushes. I don't see the point of it. I have one item of each kind, because what's the point really? Because sometimes you feel like having choices will help you make better decisions, but I feel like it's the opposite of it. It instead makes me feel very overwhelmed, stressed, anxious, whatnot, and it like literally backfires on me if I have a lot of choices of things. So I prefer to keep it very minimal. And of course, if having a number of things makes you happy, then of course, then that's good. Okay, you do you. But I'm saying personally for me, it causes anxiety unnecessarily. And इसलिए I hate having a lot of excess of things. It makes me feel very unhappy and cluttered. So, moral of the story is that excess of anything in your life can get in the way of you having quality experiences. So, the more that we can remove from our life, the better. That's it for this week's video. This was a very short and sweet video जो मुझे बस आके ऐसे rant करना था for no reason whatsoever. But I hope you liked it. I hope you agreed with some points of it at least. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next video next week. तब तक के लिए like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.